KPRC2 News begins right now with breaking news.
That breaking news coming out of Sugar Land this afternoon, where shots were fired after two suspects stole money from the back of an armored truck. Sugar Land officers were called to the HEB on Highway 6 and University around noon today. No one was hurt. Investigators say they are still searching for the people responsible who drove away from the scene and are now at large. Our Gage Goulding is at that location with the very latest. Gage, what are we learning so far from investigators?
Yeah, just a few minutes ago, I spoke with investigators here at the Sugar Land Police Department. What we know is that it's actually two suspects, one of them reaching inside the armored car, grabbing money, and then taking off. That's whenever that security guard pulled out a weapon and opened fire, hitting the front of their vehicle. I want to show you where this happened right here. It's at the entrance of this HEB. You can actually see people standing right near the door right now. This young man pushing the carts back inside. That's where that money truck was at whenever the crime occurred. Exactly how they just reached in the armed truck and took the money, we don't know that. How much money? Police department not willing to share that, but we know that they did take off in a vehicle, and the armed guard working for the money truck shot the front of the vehicle. Now, I want to show you here. They do have a bunch of security cameras at the HEB. The police department says they are using security camera video and photos to aid them in identifying these suspects right now. We do know that there's two men, a black male and a Hispanic male, both in their 20s. That's about as much information that we have right now. We don't even have a description of their vehicle. But as we come back out here, I want to show you just how busy this parking lot is. If you've been to an HEB or really any grocery store, you know it can be hectic trying to find a parking spot. And the fact that nobody was injured and these bullets hit the vehicle, two shots, but not anybody else, that is incredible. It's actually quite remarkable, the fact that nobody else was injured here in this situation. So what happens now? What's next? Sugar Land police say they're using all of their resources, K9, drones, helicopters, you name it, trying to track down these suspects. I asked the police department, hey, do you believe these people are local? Are they in this area? Where are you focusing your investigation? They said right here in this area, but they're looking all around the city. I'm live in Sugar Land. Gage Goulding, KPRC2 News.
That is a very, very busy shopping all day long. Hopefully someone got a good look at those suspects. Gage, thank you.